big trucks. This is a dump truck. Dump trucks deliver sand and gravel to building sites. Their huge, fat tires allow them to travel over bumpy, uneven ground. The driver dumps the sand and gravel out of the truck where the load is needed. The driver then lowers the body of the truck back to its base and drives off to pick up another load. When the dump truck is loaded, the body of the truck is level. At the building site, the driver raises the ramp to make the body of the truck tip up. The load is then dumped out. This is called a steamroller. Steamrollers are heavy and slow. They have huge metal rollers instead of tires. The rollers are hollow, but they can be filled with water to make them heavier. Steamrollers are used to build new roads or repair old ones. Let's see what the tiny paragraph says. The paver spreads tar and gravel over the bumpy road surface. The steamroller moves slowly over the blacktop to flatten it. Once the blacktop is smooth and hard, cars and trucks can use the road. The new surface will last for many years. This is a snowplow. Snowplows clear heavy snow off roads in winter. They have big tires with large treads so they don't slip and slide on icy streets. Bright headlights help the driver see the road at night or in bad weather. Let's look at the tiny paragraph. As the snowplow moves along, the metal blade on the front pushes the snow to the side and clears the road. Sand or salt is scattered from the back of the snowplows, of some snowplows, onto the road. This makes the road less slippery for cars. Tractor trailer. Tractor trailers take goods from one place to another. Large, wide wheels help carry the weight off the load and make the truck safer to drive. The back or the side of the trailer opens up for loading and unloading. Sometimes the cab at the front of the truck has a bed where the driver can rest after a long journey. The curved roof of the cab makes it easier for the driver to steer the truck in windy weather. Let's look at the paragraph again. A forklift is used to load boxes into the back of the trailer. The boxes are tightly stacked to keep them secure while the truck is moving. The boxes are unloaded at the delivery site. This is called a tanker. Tankers transport liquid. Tankers not only carry dangerous chemicals, but also food like milk. A long metal tank behind the cab carries the load. Large rear mirrors on the sides of the cab help the driver see around the sides of this huge truck. While backing up, the truck makes a beeping sound to warn people to move out of the way. A gas tanker is filled with gas at the refinery. The tanker arrives at the gas station. The driver empties the gas into underground tanks beneath the pumps. This is a car carrier. Car carriers take new cars from the factory to showrooms to be sold. Most car carriers have more than one deck and can carry up to 7 vehicles at once. That's pretty big. The driver lowers the ramp and drives the new cars onto the top deck. Then the bottom deck is filled. All the cars are tied to the trailer with strong cable to keep them from rolling off. At the showroom, a driver carefully backs the cars off the trailer. Look at this one! That's a Bigfoot truck. Bigfoot trucks have enormous tough wheels, so they can drive over very rough ground or obstacles. Bigfoot trucks are usually only driven in automobile stunt shows. All Bigfoot trucks have an especially strong frame that protects the driver if the truck crashes or turns over. Huge tires with thick treads help a Bigfoot truck climb over and crush smaller cars. The Bigfoot can be driven on 2 wheels. The driver wears a tight seatbelt and a helmet for safety. Bigfoot trucks are also monster trucks. That's a big word. This is a tractor. Farmers use tractors to do heavy work on the farm. Large wheels and rubber tires with deep treads help the tractor drive over muddy, bumpy fields. Tractors pull plows and harrows to dig and break up the earth. So they also pull seed, planters, and fertilizer sprayers. The plow makes furrows in the soil. The spikes on the harrow break up the soil, then seeds are planted in the furrows. The crops are sprayed with fertilizer to help them grow. How many pages are we on? That's the last one. Ready for this one, chick? Combine harvesters. Combine harvesters cut crops in the fields. They are very powerful and can harvest huge fields very quickly. The driver sits in the cab, away from the dust and noise. The grain from the crops is made into flour, bread, breakfast cereals, and other products. The huge reel at the front of the combine harvester cuts the crops. An elevator carries the grain into the threshing drum, where the grain is cut off the stalks. The grain is dumped out of the combine harvester into a trailer. Let's check the grasshopper. That's it. We're done. Guess what, Chick the Grasshopper? The end. Really great book, actually. You like the book? You like the book, Chick the Grasshopper? I like it too.